All right, Trav. Well, like I said, I just selected something on the SD card. Looks like it's some type of animal or something. So, but the finish is looking actually pretty darn good, you know, for filament printing. So, must not be far off on my calibration. So we'll see see what it looks like when it's finished. Speed-wise, it seems like it's running at a pretty good speed. I got to get used to this panel so I can figure out what the feed rate is and all of that mess. But I don't know, I'll figure it out. It's a pretty simple system, and this actually I think would probably work really well for that school project that you were talking about. So, anyways. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to lose your focus there. Kev out.